Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do two big flat twists on an old wash hair. This hair I washed it a week ago. I was supposed to wash it today. I would not have time to do a full wash day, so I am going to put it in two flat twists just to get my week out of the way so I can wait for another week. I'm going to put it in two flat twists so I can have it for church tomorrow, and as well as for the rest of the week. Maybe like midweek do it like a flat twist out or something. So we'll see. Just follow along with me. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm not gonna add like leave-in conditioner or curl cream. I'm just gonna use this mixture of oil that I have and a little bit of Eco Styler gel. The reason why these are the Eco Styler gel that I used before in that hair, so it already has some on it, so it won't like mess it up or anything. So this is the hair, okay. It's not tangled or anything because it was on a slick back ponytail. I have some oil. so I can show you what it's looked like for church. Okay, see you soon. So this is the big flat twist braid out. I'm just gonna go to church, and then I think tomorrow I'm gonna put it back in the ponytail. So this weekend I was supposed to wash my hair, but as you can tell, I feel a little sick, so I was really unenergized yesterday. This is honesty right here, and I just couldn't wash it, and but it wasn't a back bun, slick back bun, and then I turned it to like 2 big flat twists yesterday, and today I just take it out and then fluff it a little bit. That way I'll go to church, and then when I come back for the week for tomorrow, I'm going to do I think I'm going to do like a high ponytail. That way it can last me for the week, because it's my birthday, and that happens every birthday. I always for some reason get sick the day before. I don't know why. Plus I had some dental work done this week, and it was advised, like, I cannot chew in this side. Anyway, that's a lot of information for you all. I just wanted to put a video out there and then let you know that we all human, we all go through those days. So if you are a natural and then it was supposed to be your day, your wash day, and then something happened, either you don't feel like it, you don't have the time, don't beat yourself up. We all human, things happen. But it's like, it's what you do with what happened to you. That's the most important thing. So anyway, this is my look for church, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.